Just testing out the Wolf windshield. There's not a lot of wind here actually. Just testing out the Wolf windshield. There's not a lot of wind here actually. You want some wind? And oh, there's a little bit of a gust. Okay, picking up. So how's that sounding? How am I sounding? I guess I'll just walk a little bit up here and talk about this windshield. I reached out to Wolf Windshields because I, as you know, have had a bit of an ongoing issue with wind noise and my various muff designs, trying to alleviate the problem. And I came across quite a few videos of people with like Tascam and Zoom recorders with these lovely big muffs on the top, demonstrating that one of these Wolf windshields completely stopped all the noise. And so I went to their website and reached out to them, and bless them, it says on the website, you know, we do not make custom windshields. But I thought, well, if you don't ask. So I introduced myself and said, look, looking for a solution, can you help? And he said, yeah. He said he was willing to make a prototype design. This is it. And it's arrived this morning, and this is me testing it. I'm sure it's better than my efforts, but how does it sound? I've had to make a few little adjustments, a little bit of Pritt stick, and the hole on the back was a little bit large, but that's I'm sure that'll be sorted. The wind's picked up now, so I'm just going to turn around to make sure at some point the wind is going to hit the mic. And you know, if it works with that, that's good enough. I'm not looking for no wind noise, because on these stomps a little bit of wind is part of the experience. So yeah, we'll see. Just to cut out the you know, that distortion that you get when the wind just overloads the mic. Oh, that wind's picking up now. Perfect. As if by magic. This is also me recording the audio via my new Tascam, which I've done to alleviate that power issue. If these two things are sorted, the power issue, the muff, God, then the second season of Dartmoor Stomps is going to be proper professional, isn't it? Seriously though, it will be a big improvement. I mean, you know, watching it back myself and the wind noise, and you know, oh, it's just, it does your head in after a while. It's very tiring. So yeah. Right, well, I'm sure that's enough for me to have a good listen when I get back. And I hope you found this informative. If Wolf Windshields do indeed start to carry these as a stock item, I will include that in the description below. I'll see you next time. Cheers.